Hello folks! Today we're gonna talk about Berlin, and specifically eastern part of Berlin, because as many of us know, it's where the former GDR, German Democratic Republic, was located, and that's why there's a lot of history still left. It's not like Germany is unified and nothing left of this era. In fact, there are still so many buildings and so many memories that people carry on from that era. And one of those memories is the Ostel hotel, and it tries to show you the true experience of that era. Well, at least they have tried. Not everything is super true to how things were back in those days, but they at least have tried. So I just wanted to show you around how it looks like. As you can see, there's a lobby, and it looks like that. Yeah, an old TV. Yeah, this is exactly like how this was in many socialist countries. This is exact furniture and that. Yeah, and the radio. Radio was a very important thing. It allowed us to listen like voices of different people and voices from the other countries. That was like a main source of information. Okay, and now we're going up to the stairs. My room was on the 6th floor. It was just only a room without the bathroom, and I'm just walking up. As you can see, again, very simple, like lots of pictures on the wall. It's all like green and white interior. It's like very like socialist kind of interior, and it's funny because there was like in many countries back in those days. Yeah, flowers. Okay, all right, so here's my room. Let's go. And yeah, you can see again pictures on the wall. It says like yeah, shows like life back in those days. And now I'm actually entering my room. Yep, this is how my room looks like. Again, very simple, and I think it was not that simple in reality, but here, I mean, yeah, it's just for the sake of showing up how it was. Okay, and the radio, of course. Yeah, of course, the radio and the view. Look at the view. Lots of flats, lots of windows. This radio is so okay. Yeah, this is how it looked like. And of course, a chair. Yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and bye bye.